Welcome to this tutorial on discovering plugins in Claude Code. We'll explore what plugins are, how marketplaces work, and how to add, browse, and install extensions. By the end, you'll be able to extend Claude Code's capabilities confidently. In this session, you'll grasp the core ideas behind plugins, learn practical commands for adding marketplaces, and discover how to manage installations and resolve common problems. Plugins act as modular extensions that add new commands or agents to Claude Code. They are shared through marketplaces, letting you pick only the features you need without building everything from scratch. A marketplace is first added, which registers its catalog. Once registered, you can explore the list of plugins and install any you like, mirroring the familiar App Store experience. The official Anthropic marketplace is preloaded, giving you immediate access to vetted plugins. Use the /plugin command to open the manager. Browse the Discover tab, and install plugins directly from this trusted source. To add a non-default marketplace, run the plugin marketplace add command with the repository identifier. This pulls the catalog into Claude Code, after which its plugins appear alongside the official ones. The plugin manager presents 4 tabs. Discover lets you explore plugins, Installed shows what you have, Marketplaces handles catalogs, and Errors helps you troubleshoot any loading issues you encounter. In the Discover tab, you can scroll through plugins, filter by categories such as code intelligence or development workflows, and see brief descriptions before deciding to install. Installing via the CLI is straightforward. Specify the plugin name and the marketplace it belongs to. After installation, the plugin's commands are namespaced and ready for use in your projects. Claude Code supports 3 installation scopes. User scope applies globally. Project scope propagates to teammates through a settings file, and local scope keeps the plugin confined to the current repository, giving you fine-grained control. After installing commit commands, you can invoke its primary action with commit commands commit. The plugin stages your changes, suggests a concise message, and commits, streamlining the Git workflow directly from Claude Code. A set of plugins focuses on daily development tasks. They automate commits, assist with PR reviews, and provide SDK utilities, helping you stay productive without leaving Claude Code. Auto Update keeps your plugins current. When enabled, Claude Code refreshes the marketplace catalog each start, applies any available plugin updates, and prompts you to restart so changes take effect. Plugins also bridge Claude Code to external services. Whether you need source control connectors, project management tools, design platforms, or monitoring alerts, dedicated plugins simplify integration without manual setup. To pull a marketplace from GitHub, provide the repository identifier. Claude Code fetches the marketplace.json file, registers the catalog, and you can immediately start browsing its plugins. Remote URLs let you add a marketplace without a Git repository. Point the command at a publicly accessible marketplace.json. This method is handy for simple, static catalogs, but lacks version control features of Git sources. The Installed tab provides a clear overview of all plugins, organized by scope. From here you can disable, update, or uninstall plugins, ensuring you maintain a clean and secure development environment. When things go wrong, start by checking the marketplace URL and file structure. Installation errors often stem from inaccessible repos, while LSP plugins require the appropriate language server binaries on your path. We've covered the full life cycle of plugins, from discovery in marketplaces to installation, scope management, and maintenance. Use these tools to tailor Claude Code to your workflow and stay productive. Thank you for joining this session. Feel free to ask any questions or request a live demo of adding and using plugins in Claude Code.